Hey, Susan Lazar, Hart here, your congruency expert with Congruent Living Coaching and the creator of the Congruent Living Assessment, coming to you Wednesday with your Congruency Quickie. So, what are we talking about today? Well, it's November, and that's about being present with you. It's about presence and being present in everything we be and do. And so today I want to throw this out to you. Are you listening to the language that you're using in being present with you? So I just got off the call with a client, and we actually looked at her language that she was using, and she was feeling blah today. And I was like, so instead of saying blah, what are you sensing? So we went into what she was sensing. And she actually said it herself. She goes, wow, I have enough. I have an amazing life. And I said, well, that's a different way of saying to yourself, to the universe, wow, I have this amazing life, and what else is possible, and what's more here for me, right? Because, yes, acknowledge what you're aware of, get a sense of where that is and where it's coming from. At the same time, acknowledge with appreciation, oh, I got a heart and a thumbs up, acknowledge with appreciation what you are creating, what you have created. Because it's too easy to go into, especially now, I mean, there's so much going on. There's so much shifting politically, dynamically with the solar system that, we have a capacity to pick everything up and say, I feel this. So I'm going to challenge you with hashtag being present for November is change I feel to what am I sensing? What am I aware of? And then acknowledge what you are creating, where you are creating from. Right? Because the universe is listening. We put out a vibration. When we're in love with what isn't working, and we say that, I don't have enough time. How many of us have said that? I'm in a rush. I can't get this done. I don't know when I'll get this done. I don't know how to get this done. Right? I don't have enough money. I never have enough money. I don't know how I'm going to pay the bill. When we talk in that kind of languaging, we're not giving the universe anything to play with. Rather than, I'm so grateful for where I am and what else is possible here. I'll have more, right? I'll have more money in my bank account, please. Thank you very much. I'm appreciating the money's coming in, and I'll have more, please, right? Like today, I've been shifting my language to I don't have enough time to. Time actually isn't real. I'm so grateful for everything I have created so far today and am creating, and I'll have more of me showing up in every way. Thank you so much. Right? You get the sense of the difference in that. It's the vibrations that you're putting out that actually you're pulling in. Right? It's the vibration that you're pulling out of the way in which you talk to yourself that has the presence of you, that actually gives you a sense of truly what else is possible, and has the universe match that vibration. Just try it. When you find yourself in a language that actually creates less than, ask yourself, how can I switch this to creating more, right? So another example is, I had another client that I was working with today, and she was like, I'm feeling doubt. So we talked about doubt, where it came from, what it is for her. And then what if we switch the language to, I'm more than enough, and I'll have more of that, please. Right? I'm more than enough. I'm not just enough. I'm more than enough. And I'll have more of that showing up for me in my life, in my living, every day in every way. It's the language that we use that actually creates the life that we live. So, if you're listening to this later, hashtag replay. If you're listening to it now, come on in with your comments after we leave. It's a quickie. Come on over to SusanLazarHart.com, where we have all the quickies from the last couple of months under free resources. I'd love to hear what you think and what's coming up for you when you're listening to this. And, I check in every day, and I really, 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 this month is about taking an aerial view and being totally present in everything we be and do. And I wonder what that will change, It's just the matter of exchanging a habit of how we talk to ourselves and with ourselves and what we're creating to a different habit of creating energetically with the universe, with what we're asking to create, right? Yeah. Because when you start acknowledging you and your brilliance and how you're creating and what you'd like to create with appreciation, it's amazing what shows up. So, once again, let me know what's showing up for you. Come on over to Ask Susan Sunday, where we'll be talking more about presence. Come on in with your questions on Congruent Living Facebook. That's where Ask Susan Sunday lives on Sundays. And I adore you. If you have any questions, if you want to go deeper on this, private message me or DM me, and let's get together and see what we can change. Live boldly, love greatly, and be that fearless leader you came here to be, right? One that's willing to speak to themselves in a language that creates. I got a big smile. I love ya. Bye-bye. Have an amazing day.